Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you this, a Wi-Fi endoscope. So you connect your tablet, PC, smartphone, wherever you can connect it anywhere, and to this Wi-Fi, and you have access to the image of your endoscope. So we're gonna do the unboxing and see what's inside, and we go through some of the features. At first glance, we have Wi-Fi endoscope HD 720p. It comes with this small Wi-Fi device where you connect the cable, then you access and you connect your smartphone or tablet to this Wi-Fi. There's an app, and you open the app and you have access to the images. This also has I think it was 800, yes, 800 milliamp hour battery, so you don't have to be plugged to the wall socket in order to operate this. So that's a good feature, because this way you can carry it around. And let's see what's inside here. We have a camera, okay, display 5mm, 2 megapixel CMOS camera, 6 LEDs, 6 LEDs, the resolution, IP proof, this is waterproof, 6 IP67, well, it's waterproof, but don't dive too deep, 30 FPS, viewing angle 70 degrees, transmission distance 5 to 10 meters, this is the Wi-Fi distance, that depends of course on the obstacles. Focal distance, this is an important thing, 4 to 6 centimeters. It's something between this and more like this. So you won't get a focus if you're aiming an object above 6 centimeters. You won't have focus. It's important to know this. When you buy an endoscope, it's important to know this. And compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. So let's gonna open this. Let's see what's inside. So nothing else here. So we have the wireless. Okay, there's 2 micro USB. One has a small lightning bolt. I believe this is for charging, and the other one has a symbol for Wi-Fi. So it's probably to connect the cable. There's a button. Okay. You press long, it turns on. Okay. So this is it. We have a bunch of accessories. There's a hook. There's a hook here. This is a magnetic. For example, if you drop, I don't know, if you drop some keys in the sewer, maybe with this attached. Get this out. With this attached, you can try to get the keys. There's a mirror, 45 degree. I'm just gonna open this, much easier. So there's a 45 degree angle mirror. Oh, there's a hook, okay. Here is a magnet. So this is the magnet. And I'm gonna put this box aside so we can see everything here. Here is the mirror. It's very, very low quality mirror. And the glue is actually, it's not very well glued either. And this is a cap. Oh, this is in order to add this to the tip. You add this to the tip, I think. Yeah, it works like this. This is to hold the accessories. Charging cable. Some suction cups. Oh, I believe this. This is probably. Place it on over here, and you can suck it whatever you want to hold it in place, so you can work with the wires. This is the manual. Yeah, charging power. Okay, this is 2.4. This doesn't work at 5 gigahertz. I hope no one was expecting that, but okay. Case over there. About the wire, There are several versions. Before I bought this. This is hardwire. What does it mean, hardwire? It means that when I bend it this way, it stays this way. There's a version which is a soft wire. I don't know if I'm going to give you an example here. I have a small cable charge. This is soft wire. You bend it, and this is soft wire. In this case, if you want to make this straight, it will become straight. See? So this is the difference between soft wire and hard wire. I cannot do this with, for example, a cable like this. And there's two versions of this wire. I've picked up this one because I think it's better, in my opinion, at least for the things I want to try it out. I think this one is better. So there's something else here. There's a brightness control here for the LEDs. I'm going to connect it. Okay, let's see. Connect it over here. Okay, we have a green light. Oh yeah, we have. Then here, you adjust the intensity of the LEDs. Okay. Easy does it. Just gonna get my smartphone. Just gonna check for this. Yeah. Search for signal Wi-Fi check. This is the SSID name, the wireless name of this device is Wi-Fi check. So I'm connected. I already installed the app here on my smartphone. It's called Wi-Fi check, so it's not very hard to guess. And here we have the app. As you can see. About the app, there's a few things here. I've seen this, you can actually increase the resolution. I don't know if this resolution is of the picture, because you can take a picture and you can make a movie also. And this, oh, it rotates. Oh, this is nice, because you never know which way is up. So in this case, it rotates. Okay, you can see over here. As you can see, this is not very focused. But as I get it closer, it will start to focus. I believe the focal point is more or less around here. I don't know what this function does. Oh, it's 180 degrees. Here there's only resolution. Okay, this is to open the files that you recorded. Just gonna do a small movie. Okay, there's a counter over here. Counting the seconds. And you can pretty much, if you want to check your plumbings, especially the plumbings, this is it's very small, it's very easy to put, press again? Yes, press again to stop. It's very easy to insert inside your plumbings if you get a clogged tube or anything. This is a nice way to check it. One thing more, if you want to extend this battery of this, you just add a power bank and you solve the problem. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, considering subscribing, and see you in the next one.